Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Godzilla. Kind of a close-up shot of his face, shooting the atomic breath. Very simple, I think. So let's get started, okay? It's going to be short as well. It's going to be like 8 minutes. So let's get started. I'm going to go right here, and I'm going to throw a curve right there for the end of... That's going to be the tip of Godzilla's nose. Out. Down. Up over here. Curve back. And on top of a lot of stuff with Godzilla, honestly, it's kind of shoved together. So there's the tip of the nose, the eyes right here, and this is the back of his head already, right? He's got a pretty small skull comparatively. And then we're gonna pull down over here, and then we're gonna have like, you know, kind of some wobbliness right here for some spikes on his back, right? Doing pretty good so far. Hopefully you guys are okay. Really simple stuff so far. I'm going to pull a line down right here. Curve a line back for the kind of lip area. Down over here for the side of his mouth. Pull up here for the cheekbone. Going to go in here. Curve up. Down. Line up over here, line down, nose, just kind of nasal cavity right there, and pulling up just a bit. Why is my marker dying? By the way, if you use these markers, please have like, you know, some air going on, something circulating, because it can be bad, the smell of these markers for you. Curve underneath. And let's go over here to teeth. Right there, just all the way down. All right. And I'm gonna go back here, starting at this area, pulling in. So you have that triangle. Right there, it's the skin. It's the skin on the area of the mouth as he opens his mouth. Curve underneath. Down. Pull back for the jaw, and then pull up. Maybe a little curve here. Back down underneath the throat. Back down here. And he's got this huge neck, and obviously he gets way bigger right as he goes down, but this is good, okay? Let's go over here underneath. Throw the teeth that he has underneath here. And teeth here in the back, like so. Okay, we're not gonna draw it all the way down because we want his atomic breath to come out, okay? So right here, I'm gonna go, his atomic breath will come out like so, and then over here, same thing. Okay? Something I wanna do for the atomic breath is I wanna make it a really thick line. I want to make that unmistakably a different material than, you know, himself. Just kind of make that line really thick. And you can kind of make it jaggedy like that too. It'll kind of add to the whole thing. Cool. Now, let's go to here to this back, and we draw like a spike. Another one kind of layered behind there. Another one a little bit bigger. Right there. And we're going to go down here, kind of a line here for his throat. Curve line here for kind of the back. That's kind of where the ear is and the lizards. Right where their hearing is. Curve, 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 curve line here to represent some sort of scaling, right? You can even draw a line over there. Kind of like a checkerboard shape to kind of give the effect that there is scales, right? It's a quick way to do that. And yeah, curve line under here. You can draw some lines like so to kind of give it a cool effect there of, oops, went out there, but the cool effect of wrinkles. Curve, curve. Bags under the eye a little bit here. And another thing you can do is you could draw kind of a shape around Godzilla's eye. Curve, curve, curve. Curve, curve, curve. Curve over here. A little bit of darkness there under the eye, just kind of give it a little bit of just kind of gravitas, right? I mean, obviously it's the shadow there as well. Just kind of give it a little bit of gravity there. And then the rest of it, honestly, you can just kind of throw details. So you can throw little dots here because you can throw little lower curves right here for the, just to kind of throw these lower curves in this area, just to give it some texture, which is kind of what you want. Same thing over here along the spikes. Give it a little bit of texture. Maybe a little bit of darkness here. But that's pretty much it, okay? That's Godzilla's face. I hope you enjoyed that. For more Godzilla, check out the playlist. That's really important. And also, if you like learning how to draw in general, hit the subscribe right now and click the bell notification. I post three, okay? No one does that. 3 how to draw lessons per day, okay? Absolutely. There's no downside. Subscribe right now. We're going to hit 200,000 by the end of the year. And thank you so much. I will see you very soon. I'm going to start doing giveaways here on the channel. And don't forget the Godzilla sticker I have, okay? Go look below. Look below, and you're going to find the Godzilla sticker. It's the Godzilla artist sticker. Thank you so much. I will see you later, okay? Talk to you soon. Wait, one last thing. If you want to help the channel out, if you're a fan of this channel, hit the share button. Share it anywhere you want, whether it be Twitter, Bumble, anything like that. It will absolutely help the channel out, and I will give you a big digital high five. So thank you so much. I will see you next time, and I'll see you later, okay? Bye-bye.